beautiful right now and ready to go to my friend's birthday. You're not pretty! Let's go buy for him something to wear and then go to the birthday, but fast. Hello, costume for my little baby. Cute, right? We're gonna get this right now or later. I have to ask for my mom. Later. We found a lot of costumes. Which one do you like, for Helen or for just walking like a sportsman? Yay! We're gonna get both. One for Helen and one for my friend's birthday. I really like it. I think we will get this one because look, it's so cute. Do you like this? Write in comments. He like it too. This is jacket. Go and show it to my Murphy. Where's my Murphy?
What?
Murphy, where are you? Not here either. Guys, did you saw my Murphy? No? Okay, bye-bye. Guys, did you saw my Murphy? No? Okay. Did you saw him?
No.
No? Okay. Hello. Here you can give money to the kids that don't have a house.
Great.
Did you saw my puppy?
Oh, no.
Here you are, my Marky. You're a good puppy, so let's pick a some toy for you. Very good toy. Chili Faker. Maybe this one or this one. Which one do you want?
Wow.
Ready to go to the party! In comments, do you have a pet and what type is it?